Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Putogesafe Combo Smoke and CO Alarm. This is a smoke and CO detector with LCD display. It's a combined smoke and carbon monoxide detector with replaceable battery pack. It's a 2-1 smoke detector with 10-year service life. It prevents false alarms. The combined smoke and CO detector is equipped with a photoelectric smoke sensor and an electrochemical CO sensor that detects both smoke and dangerous CO values and provides reliable protection to our family, which can rely on. This combined smoke and carbon monoxide detector features an easy-to-read LCD display that shows the alarm status and the battery level, so we can say at a glance how high the CO level are in the environment and occur in real time. The carbon monoxide detector has a service life of up to 10 years. With 3 replaceable AA batteries, a battery life of up to 7 years are possible. That brings us more flexibility when replacing and less risk of battery leaks. And 85 decibel buzzer, LCD and an LED warning. When the smoke detector detects a dangerous situation, a buzzer sounds, a red indicator light flashes quickly, and a warning symbol appears on the LCD screen. And for example, we press the test and mute button when the smoke detector is in low power warning state. The alarm remains silent for about 10 hours. With this smoke and CO detector, we won't have to worry about our privacy. The smoke detector has optical sensors that can distinguish between particles of different sizes to detect the type of smoke. For example, light smoke from boiling or heavy smoke in the event of a fire outbreak. By detecting the type of smoke, false alerts are reduced and ensures that the detector is only triggered when there is an actual dangerous situation is nearly. This comes with a low battery warning indication. When the battery will be empty, the smoke detector reminds us to replace the batteries to ensure continuous protection to our family. And the information on the LCD display. The LCD display from the CO detector shows change in CO values or a possible fire outbreak and warns us for CO or fire hazard as early as possible. And it's a 2-1 monitoring. It's a 2-1 detector which is equipped with a double sensor that has a long service life of up to 10 years. It is powered by a replaceable battery with a service life of up to 7 years. And here comes 360 monitoring. This smoke detector captures 360 degrees in all directions and up to 40 square meters of areas in room. Protection our home from all sides. And we have silent at the touch of a button. In case of the malfunction status, for example, or low battery level, we simply press the test button. The smoke detector will be in a 10-hour sleep mode without disturbing our sleep, for example. And fast response to CO values. This CO detector is equipped with a detector chemical CO sensor to provide instant alerts of CO levels from 0 up to 1999 ppm to keep our family safe and of course healthy. Putogesafe brings us here a really cool device which is easy to attach to the wall, attach to maybe you have to drill two holes or use 2 screws which are included to get them into position, or you use your old screws which are in the ceiling already to attach this smoke and CO detector onto the ceiling or onto the wall. We have a holes of ceiling We have a plastic plugs included, we have a bracket, we have 2 screws included, and of course the alarm body with 2 batteries included, which we can use for up to 7 years. That's a long time, I think. And it's good. We should attach this to the ceiling 4 inches away from the wall. If we make a wall mounting, we should go 4 inches from the ceiling away. This is the acceptable place to get this device into place, for example. If we switch it on, the power indicator comes in green, for example. The green indicator is used to inductive the power status of the device. The green indicator will flash every 40 seconds. Everything is fine. If we have a yellow fault indicator, the yellow indicator is used to indicate malfunctions or low battery warning status of the device. And if we have a red LED indication, the red indicator is used to indicate alarm status of the smoke alarm or CO alert. And we have a test and silence button. This is used to test our device and to silence the unit during a smoke or CO alert. We press and hold the test function button for, I think, 2 seconds, and then it will make a function test. And we have a sounder on it. It is used to send out the smoke alarm, the CO alarm warning, and the abnormal warning information. If we enter the batteries into place, there is a 60-second timer because of the indication of the device. And after this, it will go in normal operation. And then, I hope, you will not have a fire or a CO problem at home. This is the Putogesafe Smoke CO Detector with LCD display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.